Hi, I'm Lauren Darby. I'm doing my comic overview. So I drew what was asked in the first 5 panels, and then I did the transition ones, and I believe it came out pretty cool. So the first question was, what panel transition did you use in your comic? I used the action to action transition panel because the focus remains on the spaceship and the astronaut, but it shows different actions between each frame. The second question was, do you feel that you were successful in communicating your story, and explain how? I do believe that I was able to communicate the story well because I drew some of the same backgrounds in each frame, which gave similarities between them, and this allowed for the viewer to know that each frame is in the same sequence of events. Also, it showed a storyline in each slide, which allowed you to see that there's dialogue in between each one. So I added the little word bleeps, and that allowed for me to explain exactly what was going on in each frame. And the third question was, what did you add to the original 5 frames, and why? Did adding these panels improve the story or not? In the first 5 panels, all included the same spaceship and astronaut, but it was very unclear as to what was going on until you get to, well, it was kind of, you could see exactly what was going on, but until he reached the wrong planet, you're kind of like, what's going on? And then it was very vague. So once I added the transition frames, the extra 5, it kind of explained that he was on the wrong planet, and it does explain a little better what was happening towards the end. Now, at the end of mine, it kind of left like a cliffhanger because he apologizes to the alien for running from him, but it's unclear as to whether he was able to leave the planet to go home or not, and where exactly he was. So, unfortunately, we won't be able to see that because I wasn't allowed any more frames, but it was interesting.